Who else supposed to be coming?
Huh?
Who else supposed to be coming?
I lost Brian and Justin, but they should have been behind me.
Brian's driving his car?
No, Brian blew up his car.
Oh, yeah. What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're in Albuquerque, New Mexico. They're having a 505 event. I'm here with my buddy Santos. I don't know if y'all remember Santos. This is his Pro Charge vet. We're here to do this cash days, and then we're gonna run, do everything else. What up, boy?
Long time no see.
What up, my dog?
How's the weather down there?
Terrible. It's hot as fuck.
See the fucking new intercooler?
That's a new one? This the one they built for you? Yeah.
That E85 smells fucking good.
Yeah. I haven't smelled E85 in so long. Like.
So that's the old one. It's a 3-inch core. That's the new one. It's a dual 4.5-inch core.
Damn.
And
Breeze better?
huh?
Breeze better?
Yeah. So I was under the car all day, basically, just putting everything together.
Yeah.
But with that intercooler, now it should have. I mean, it should have picked up a lot, but we don't really know yet. I haven't dynoed it. Denzel's sent me kind of like just like a base map tune for now. When I get there, he's gonna flash the other tune on and do a couple pulls, test passes at the track, and see what we need to do.
Yeah.
I installed the AFR gauge yesterday because I didn't have one, just to make sure that everything's all good, you know.
Frankenbeamer, this is my boy here. That thing used to be gray and blue when we first met. That thing look beautiful now. All right, guys, so we're here at the track. There's a lot of good cars going around, just looking at everything that's here. Unfortunately, we didn't bring our car. Our buddy George is here with a gray Corvette, 9-second car. The media just said that we're good to walk the track when people are racing. So we'll probably be able to get close up when Santos and them race, which is too easy. So she's hot, per usual.
It's not that bad.
So probably get something to snack on before all this starts up, but should start here in like an hour, which right now everybody's pulling up, getting their cars ready, getting set up, and then we're good to go. So I'll get back to y'all when we start at the starting line.
All right, it's an 8-mile race, starting at the starting line. Flashlight start. Limpy is on the light. Thank you, Limpy, for coming out and doing your thing. Water burnout only, no jumping, no tire cracking. Any movement after you staged is going to be a jump. Chase is not a race. Jumping or crossing, first is worst. Safety for everyone. Keep your car in your lane. We don't need anyone hurt. Chip draw at every round. Call outs welcome for first round. No double buy runs. In case we have a buy run, the same driver can't get the buy run more than one time. 5-minute limit between races. If you can't make it to the line, you're disqualified.
God damn, camera zoom in. Oh. That's tragic, bro. First test pass and wrecked his car. All right, y'all, so we have the stick shift class coming up. I know it's dark now. We watched all the other classes race. We're literally just only gonna record the stick shift. I didn't want to record all the races. I don't have a lot of batteries with me. I only have like my 2 batteries that I normally bring. So we're gonna record the rest of the stick shift. My buddy Santos is gonna be racing, so they're on a race right now. Let's get up there and let's watch some racing. Somewhat different. These are the new ones. Ivan hooked us up with some shirts. Appreciate it, Ivan. Good looking. Updated our shirts.
No joke, that car is fast, and that's about all we can say.
Left lane takes it. Subi bogged on the line. That's messed up. Boy Santos. Left lane, hell yeah. That bitch is gangster as hell, dog. That bitch gangster as hell, dog. Let's go, George. I don't know what year this is, but this is a DR1 build, makes like 900 horsepower. We're doing the stick shift class. He's going against the LS Swap RX-7. Hopefully he gets the win. We're going to line him up to the bumper. That's Limpy over there. We're going to see how he does. Let's go, George. Come on, George. Get that dub.
Here we go. Guys, please get out of the room or our camera because that is how we're deciding who gets the start and the dig.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Let's see what the ultimate.
What is it? What is it?
And right
lane! Let's go! Let's go, George.
I was like, I'm gonna pee my pants every time.
So now we have an IS 300, and then we have a Yodi Mustang. We don't know what's done to both. Pretty sure this is a 2JZ, and that one's just a 5.0. I don't know 100%. Let's see how this one does.
Attention in the pits, attention in the pits. First call tailgate and SUV again. First call tailgate and SUV. Coming up here in the left lane, we have Thomas M. and right lane Chris L. in the Lexus. And he's making some noise for your boys. Let's see what they do. Limpy's.
This guy has a buy run. 2012 looked like 5.0. Don't know what's done to it. It's the same thing, but it says I'm stock on the slicer plate. So. Alright, so that's the first round of stick shift. Now we're gonna move on to the second round. Once the second round get here, we'll record that. Let's go see what Santo's thinking. What happened with this car bogging. Let's go get his point of view.
And then he'll either bring you up just a little bit more if he needs to. So I'm gonna try bringing you right to that line, okay?
Yeah, bring it straight to the line.
We're gonna go.
You got hurt?
Oh yeah, he got easy right the dude that fucking died at the line and he bumped.
I was like, you better shift that bitch. I was like, you better shift that bitch. He took off. I was like,
I don't know.
oh, let's go.
George,
Let's
how bad
go.
did you get him? Was it close?
He was moving.
It seemed like he was having a
quick.
He was gaining, like I was about a car on him and I looked over, he was actually creeping just a tad, but I still got him by
coming
about
over
a
here
car.
checking out the competition. Shaq.
What up? Just recording a nice ass Supra. That's all I'm doing, bro. You know me.
Extra, dude.
Recording my cars, man.
Gonna buy it or not?
Nah, guys are working. Took the Pro Charger off. I'm trying to make sure they get all their maintenance done. Took the front clip off. This thing is really fast. Let them get to it. Twins. Jesus. This thing is freaking amazing.
Alright, coming up, this is our stick shift class. They're going to put it down to the ground. My man David in the left lane. And that rowdy coyote cars tonight. Jared, this wicked awesome Supra. Making that turbo howl all night. Wow. Let's see if he can spool up and dish out a bowlful to David here in the left lane here. Coming up. Both of them absolutely zooming down the track. And it's a right lane win. He pulls it off.
Like Lippy, hell yeah! It's my boy George. Just ran that good ass pass. Hey, we got David. There's 3 cars left in the final round. It's getting kind of late. We have to drive 3 hours, so we're probably not going to finish this out. But we will probably get the rest of the video from George, maybe, possibly. What's up, my boy? What's up, man? Oh, my boy. Probably get the rest of the video from George, and then be able to, you know, piece it together, maybe, possibly.